Alright guys, we got another unboxing for you. This is a heavy one. As you can tell from the box, it's coming from Adam's Polishes. So Adam sent me an email asking me if I would like to try out some of their products. I said, yeah, sure. So I'm gonna try them out, review them. If I like them, I'll let you guys know. If I don't like them, I will also let you guys know. So I have no idea exactly what they sent me, but we'll both be surprised together. All right, so let's take this out the box and let's see exactly what they sent me. Now I assume that they're gonna send me, a few products, a couple bottles of this, a couple bottles of that. I didn't expect a big box like this. So, as some of you guys know, I'm a sucker for detailing products. I used to detail back in the 90s. A lot of stuff has changed since then, so I do not consider myself a professional detailer by any means, but I still have an eye out for the latest and greatest stuff, even though I am not best educated on all the latest and greatest detailing supplies that are out right now. But let's take a look at what's inside the box. Oh, man. So, looks like we have a bucket. So, let's take this out the bucket. Get rid of this box. Almost hit me. Holy crap, look at this. I've always wanted one of these, twist off buckets. So, let's see what we got here. Oh. All right, so first off, we have a big microfiber towel. Looks like a big drying towel. Awesome. Let's see, a wash mitt. I see. Oh, looks like a block that I can use to apply my tire dressing. Very nice. Ooh, a borderless gray plush towel. So microfibers there. A double soft polishing towel. Could always use those. Glass cleaning towels, 2-pack. And another borderless gray plush towel. Awesome. Let's take a look at the products that they sent me. Some Adam Polishes wheel cleaner. So that's cool stuff. Oh, I've been meaning to try this out. I was actually going to order this on Amazon. It's their Ultra Foam Shampoo. Apparently this is has a very good, what do you call that? It's very slick. I don't know, slickness to it with a lot of foam. I think this is the wet wax. Oh, tire shine. All right, so let's see how this does against the Car Pro Pearl that I absolutely love. Car shampoo, you guys know I use and love this stuff. Let's see how these two will compare. Let's see here. Detail spray. Love it. Glass cleaner. You can never have enough glass cleaner. Oh, this one, H2O Garden Gloss. So I think this is one of their hydrophobic sprays that you use after you wash your car. But yeah, it makes everything hydrophobic. All right, there you go. And some interior detailer. So, which I also like, Car Pro Pearl. Also, if you look inside the bucket, they do also included a grit guard. You should always use a grit guard when washing. All right, so big thanks to Adam's Polishes for sending out the products to try out. I'll go ahead and review them and show the viewers how I like them. But yeah, very interested in trying this Ultra Foam shampoo. I really am. But yeah, that's it. Adam's Polishes. We're out. I was excited about the new product, so I wanted to try it out right away. So I added 2 ounces of Adam's car shampoo to my 5-gallon bucket. Next was the wheel cleaner. Absolutely love this product. It isn't as runny as a lot of the other products that you see on the market. Also, it has low odor and most of all, excellent cleaning properties. Next, I added 100 milliliters of Ultra Foam shampoo to my foam cannon with warm water and was greeted with excellent suds. Not as much suds as the snow foam from Chemical Guys, but it has better lubricity. I would take better lubricity than more foam any day of the week. Next, we tried the Adams Ultra-Plush drying towel. Now, this towel measures 26 by 36 inches and it holds a lot of weight. I dried my whole entire vehicle with this one towel, haze-free and streak-free. Now, keep in mind, this is not a cheap towel. This is on the upper price range when it comes to drying towels, but it did dry a lot better than my Griot's PFM towel, which also works amazingly well. Next, we tried the Adams Tire Shine. Excellent results with this product using its foam block. Now, I'll be honest with you, I still prefer CarPro Pearl over the Adams Tire Shine, but still got excellent results with the Adams Tire Shine.